Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Tinder application. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In this video, we're only gonna focus on how to log out from your mobile application. On the bottom right, you'll see a profile icon right here, right next to message. Click on the button right there, and this page will open up. Do note that this right here is your profile. And if you click on this pen-like icon right here, you can edit your profile as well. But right now, let's simply go to settings. At the top right, you'll see a gear-like icon. That is settings. Simply click on it. This right here is the settings page. Well, there are lots of options, but worry not. We're just gonna scroll down till we see something like log out. I'm gonna keep scrolling down. And right here at the very bottom, you can see a button like this that says log out. Click on it right now in case you want to log out. Now it's giving me something like this. Forget me on this device, remember me on this device. Well, the choice is up to you, select whichever you wish. And as you can see, we are being logged out of our Tinder account. And that's it guys, that's how we log out of Tinder on your mobile application. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.